Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day here on the vlog. If you didn't realize, I'm in Kansas City right now. Today we present our Enactus presentation. Right now, I'm just waiting on Sarah to get back, and then we can start rehearsing because we have less than 2 hours now. Let's see the shoes. Oof.
What?
You ready?
Ready.
We're ready. Sam, give me a power stance. The presentation is over. We're relieved. We're going to the career fair. Left the career fair because I have to go work on a research paper because it is due today and you have to hand submit it. So I have to email it to my friend to print out and then she has to hand it in for me. And I forgot about the time difference, so I thought I have 4 hours, but now I have 3. I love living life on the edge. Just finished 8-page research paper in less than 4 hours. Now I gotta go find everybody. Now, since I'm late, I rode one of these cool scooters over to the convention center. It's like living a childhood dream. We won! No, we
We're in
didn't
the
win.
hearts of the fans, and that's enough for us.
That's all we need, is the love of each other.
We are happy that we came.
And had this great experience.
Yeah. Why is it not going? Why is it not going?
Got changed, and now we're going to get something to eat. I'm so excited. I'm on another scooter, and I'm ahead of them, but I don't know where we're going, so it really doesn't help that I'm ahead of them. And it's starting to rain. We're here.
We are.
What? I want those chip things. You want the crispy things? Yeah. That's all you had to. Yeah. Are you
Did we really eat all that food?
Gonna do an unboxing video today. So this is my new purse. It's from the collection Have a Nice Day. And this is all I have.
Wow. It's raining. We're not going back.
Let's Uber back to the hotel.
Bye, have fun. Now I want you guys to pay attention to what he does next, because it might just be the nicest thing I've ever seen somebody do.
Somebody get in the front, Christian! Front seat, Christian! Front seat! Front!
Oh my god, no!
Come back! Christian, come back!
Let's go from the other side. The other
Get in the car!
Going in the other Uber!
You're good! Go! We're leaving!
Close the
We're
door.
going in the Uber! Go! All that to go 3 blocks. Eric's in the other car.
We made it to the Uber, right, Sarah? You got
You guys gonna make it?
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.